This is what happens when there's a flash flood in New Jersey. Sorry if it's blurry. Like inches underwater. Check out the neighbor's yard. You should see my driveway. Excuse me, Nico. Excuse me. Excuse me. There was a ton of traffic here before. And the water. What happened to the water? No. The water. And the edge of my driveway. That going into my backyard, flooding everything I just showed. It's pretty cool. And also, my mom's kind of worried. Don't tell her. Better not leave that in the comments, okay?